Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the wiper blades of your car, and I will also give you tips on how your wiper blades can last longer. And to do that I will use this Hyundai i10 car. I will replace the rubber, I will replace the entire blade, and I will also show you guys how to replace the entire arm. So first I will take out my wiper blade. To take the wiper blade out, at this point there is kind of a pressing mechanism that you will have to press. Here I will give you a closer look. As you guys can see, this is the button. You just have to press this button. Now this wiper swings on both the sides like this. So you will have to bring your hand here, put your thumb inside like this and press the button. Once you press this button, you will have to pull down the wiper blade. And as you guys can see, my wiper blade is now totally separated from the car. Now if I want, I can replace this entire thing, or I can replace only the rubber which is there on this blade. First I will show you guys how the rubber on this wiper blade is worn out. Now as you guys can see how the rubber on this wiper blade is worn out. It is cracked, it is broken, and the entire thing is falling apart. Even in between the rubber is tearing. And on this side the piece only is missing. Now this is an extreme case. Even slightly better rubber than this can give you problems, guys. So you will have to replace the rubber. Now I will first take the old rubber out. If you want, you can replace the entire thing as well, but my assembly is okay, only my rubber is worn out. So I will replace only the rubber. To take the rubber out, you will have to bend the rubber like this, and once you do that, a thin metal will be exposed. That metal blade you will have to pull out with a plier like this. Now inside the rubber there are two blades like this. The other blade is on the other side. So rotate the entire wiper blade like this, and now pull out the blade which is there on this side. So you will have to take out both the blades by pulling them out like this. Once you take out both the blades, your rubber, if you pull it, it will come out easily like this. Now this is my new wiper rubber. This yellow thing which is there on the rubber is for the protection. And if you watch closely, then on one side it is slightly smaller and on one side it is slightly fatter. Now as you guys can see, on this side it is slightly fatter. So you will have to put in the thinner side first. So as you guys can see, I am putting inside the thin side first so that it will slide in very nicely. So keep on sliding till you reach on the other side. Once you slide in the rubber, the next thing that you will have to do is you will have to put in the new metal blades similar to the ones that we had taken out. And this one you will have to put inside from the fatter side. Put it totally inside and see that it passes through all the gaps. Then you will have to get the second blade, and that also you will have to slide inside of the second gap now. To put this blade inside, you might face a little bit of problem, because when you are putting this blade inside, it will be slightly tight to go inside. It should happen like that because the rubber should fit properly on the blade. So you might have to put some extra force to put the blade inside. Once you put both the blades inside, you'll have to come on this part right here, and you will have to pull out this plastic like cap which is there on the blade. Then you will have to push the rubber a little bit so that it falls in this gap, and with that your wiper rubber is now locked inside. Now I can put this back on the car. To put this back on the car, you just have to slide it inside. No need to press any button and all. Directly it will lock. After this I will give you some tips for the wiper rubber to last longer. So keep watching. As you guys can see, my wiper blade is now locked in the mechanism. After you are done with this, now you can remove the protection casing which was there on this wiper blade. And again I will put the wiper blade back in position. So with this, now you know how to replace the wiper blade and the rubber on the wiper blade as well. Now I will show you guys how to replace the entire assembly. To replace the entire arm, you will have to come here, and you will notice that there is a cap here. You will have to remove this cap, and underneath this cap you will see a nut. To take this nut out, first thing that you will have to do is you will have to open your hood. Once you open the hood, take a 14mm socket and loosen and take out this nut completely. Once you take out this nut, you will have to close your hood again, and you will have to move this wiper arm slightly, wiggle it a little bit and pull it out. Once I shook it a little bit, so here comes out my entire wiper arm. If this arm on your car is spoiled, then you can replace it directly with a new one. My wiper arm is still in good condition, so I will put it back. While putting it back, you will have to put in the same angle. This is where it becomes slightly tricky. Now I have a mark of the wiper blade on my glass. I have not cleaned that, so I will use that to put this wiper arm back at the correct position. because on that you can come to know in which angle your wiper arm was. So keep in that same angle and press this right here. Once it goes inside, put the nut back. If it is not going inside, then you will have to press it here a little bit, wiggle it a little bit so that it goes inside properly. Don't simply go and put the nut and tighten it when it is not gone inside properly, guys. You will spoil the entire system. Once you wiggle it a little bit and press it here, it will go inside very nicely. So once it goes inside properly, put the nut back and tighten it properly, and see that you don't over tighten it. Then put back the rubber cap which you had taken out, and with that I am done replacing the entire wiper arm. Now I will give you some tips so that your wiper blade will last longer. The first tip is, when you come in the morning, before you sit inside of the car, come near your wiper blades and see if there is any dust or debris that are stuck here. Pull up your wiper arm and wipe the dust which is there on the glass before you take the car out from the garage. You must do this every time, guys, not only in the rainy season, because if you sit inside of the car first only, and if you take your car out and suddenly in the middle while you are driving, if you realize that your glass is dirty and if you are thinking of starting your wiper blades, then all this debris, the sand, the dust which is there on the glass will deform the rubber on your wiper blade, and like this your wiper blade rubber will get worn out soon. What I recommend here is also wipe your entire windshield only on the outside so that there is absolutely no dust left on the windshield. Once you sit inside of the car, see that you start your wiper blades along with soapy water once. If you do this all the time, your windshield will stay clean all the time, which will give you a better vision to drive, and the life of a wiper blade rubber will be doubled. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful, and I'm hoping that you have learnt a lot in this video. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Now till then, bye and take care.